Hello, welcome back. It's Greg, Art of Cycling. Although again, while I'm going to be watching cycling while painting, I'm not going to be painting cycling. Instead, I've been photographing my garden and going to play around with this image. I don't know if that's in focus or not. So it's going to be an iris painting. I've painted flowers on and off for many years. And Edgar's head is down there in the bottom. I don't think he'll make the painting though. So I'm going to switch over to time-lapse, let you watch, again using the oil sticks. Unfortunately, I'm down to just 2 white oil sticks, so I've put an order in to, I actually had to go with Amazon, which I don't like to do, just because I need to get them quicker. And then I'll, after this painting is done, switch back to doing some more homage paintings. I was looking at the Déjeuner sur l'herbe, Manet's painting of the 2 nude women and the 2 clothed men. I just couldn't quite find the image I wanted to work with. So I'm going to think about that some more and come back to it. But I'll switch over to time-lapse now and we'll get painting. So with the painting, I take the yellow oil stick to lay it all out and then immediately work into the next grouping of colors. Sometimes there's a little polluting, but the yellow does the least. And in this case, I'm sort of working first through the flowers. Part of that is to establish composition. But then I start to think, maybe I need to lay in some of these other colors. So obviously outline where the plant matter is, the stalks, the stems, and then start laying in the background. I'm looking for a color balance, so I've got a lot of blues using the orange, but of course a lot of purple, so laying in the yellow. So sort of bouncing back and forth now, laying in a little bit more of the purple tones, thinking about it. And here we are, day 2. And I'm also beginning to think, we need a little more color variation in this background. So I push this to a paler yellow. But a part of me is going, what's the complement to green? So start laying in just a little bit of red and these little pips of red when I do the close-up. You can kind of see. Move the camera for you just to do this last little finish section. And again, I'm thinking like to balance out that pale yellow, I'm going to lay the same in the opposite corner. And one of the things that happens once I lay that orange in, you can see that orange streak. So I have to come back in and push and pull that a little bit more. But that gets... All right, so the painting's done now. Theoretically, I've succeeded in doing a voiceover for the time-lapse. Bridget and I got together and decided on a title. And I just spelled it wrong. Crap. Yeah, sure. What's wrong with that? And so there we go. Hello, gorgeous. Yeah. Little spelling error, but so it goes. So here I want to show you the painting up close, because up close you really see all the texture, paint sploogy, and everything that makes me love these oil sticks so much. And unfortunately, waiting for delivery of more oil sticks, white ones in particular. So I can't start the next painting. Not that I know what that next painting is, but I think we might be doing a run of florals here shortly. So see, you can't tell I misspelled that, right? All right, well, thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. You can see all of my work at greigleach.com. This painting will shortly be up on the website in what I call the Garden Paintings Gallery. So I appreciate you taking time to watch. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I'd love to hear what you think.